video, I'll show you 5 solo basic steps for salsa, merengue, cumbia, bachata, and reggaeton that can be done for both men and women. I'll also share with you an extra tip so you can add musicality to your dance at the end of this video. Watch this video till the end and have fun showing off your new dance move at the next party or wedding you attend. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know to dance any Latin rhythm is to go with your whole weight to the front, bend your knees. Please don't stretch it because this is gonna block your whole body and you're gonna be dancing like this. We don't want that. Relax your knees and relax your butt. You need to be able to move your hip, your knees, and your heels. Now let's start with the first dance step. For this movement, you're gonna move your heel going in. Okay, so put your heel in and out. Look, and I'm changing my weight to the other leg. So change your weight, move your heel, and come back. Okay, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now look how my knee is turning with my heel. Pop, 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 pop. Okay, now change. And now with the other one. Heel out. Heel in, out. Change your weight. And with the other leg, heel in, heel out, and change your weight. 1 and 1 and 1 and 1 and. This step you can use it for dancing merengue, for reggaeton, and maybe on any other music like pop. Now, if you want to take this movement to the next level, add a little bit more of hip movement to the dance. Go here and back and back. And you can add also the torso. Boom, 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 or back, boom, ah, ah. Look, bam, and boom, and back, and boom. Let's do it with music. Only the heels. Now with the hips. Now, if you want to take to the next level this step in reggaeton, add torso movement to your dance, like this. Now, for the next step, it's going to be something similar, but now we're going to move the whole feet and the whole leg to the other one. Open, close, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Okay? This dance step, you can use it for almost any music, and if you want to take the step to the next level, move your shoulders to the same side. 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. And 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. Okay? Let's try it with music. Relax your hands and move them with them. Don't keep them like this. Add the torso to the sides. Same movement. Boom and boom and boom. Okay, for the next dance move, we're gonna go to the sides. So close your legs and we're gonna go 3 steps. 1, 2, 3, close. And the one that is closing, it's only touching. Look here. 1, 2, 3, and this one opens again to the same side of the leg. 1, 2, 3, close. Okay, so you go and you come back. So 1, 2, 3, close, same leg opens. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, little bit faster. And 1, 2, 3, close. 1, 2, 3, close. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. You can use this dance step for merengue and for bachata. If you want to take this dance step to the next level, we're going to add hip movement and torso movement. You can also move your arms. Remember, your arms are never like this. So you just go to the side, other side, and close. Hip, 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 stop. Let's do it with music. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and hip. Enjoy the music. 1, 2, 3, and. Now, for the next movement, now you're gonna move only one leg, and you're gonna step forward. So step, change your weight to the one that it's staying in the same place, change, and now you're gonna step to the back, back, change, and repeat. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. You can change legs. Remember to change the weight every time you move a leg. Change, 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 change the weight. Forward, back, forward, back. If you want to take this movement to the next level, remember to relax your hip and move the hip to the side of the leg that is moving. So change the weight and move your hip at the end. Change your weight, move your hip. Change the weight, step, change the weight, move your hip. Change the weight, move your hip, step, change the weight, move your hip. Let's do it a little bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Try this dance step for merengue or any other rhythm you feel comfortable. Let's do it with music. Ready? Forward, back, forward, back for the ladies. Next level, move your hips. Back, 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 back. Change the leg. The challenge is to change without pausing, okay? For the next step, we're gonna open also, but now we're gonna open to the back, okay? So bend your knees, relax your hips, and step to the back. So change your weight, open and close. But now you're gonna change the weight and do the same thing with the other leg to the back. So back and close and back and close. So the time will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now you can also do the same dance step but crossing a little bit to the back. Instead of just going straight, you're gonna cross and come back, cross a little bit to the back and cross back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. With this dance step, you can dance salsa or cumbia. Now, if you want to add movement, you're going to take this dance step to the next level. So relax your hip, move your arms with your torso, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, touch, 1, 2, 3, touch, 1, 2, 3, touch. Move your hip, move your torso. Okay? Let's try it with music. 1, 2, 3 y 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And relax your hip and add movement so you can take it to the next level. Are you ready? Let's take it to practice. Merengue. Forward and back. Change the leg. Ready? Let's go with the heel. Move your hip now. Change. Side, 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 close. Side, 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 close. Open, close, open, close. Open, close, open, close. Back and forward. Back, forward. Okay, let's do reggaeton. Remember, add torso to take it to the next level. Back, boom, back, boom. I'm gonna do it fast. Hips. Change. Cumbia. Move your hip so you can take step to the next level. And 1, 2, 3. Cross. Just to the back. Now, I'll give you an extra tip so you can dance with musicality when you are at that party or the wedding. Every time the music changes, try to change the step. Maybe you're going to the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the music changes. Now, the same thing, but now you're gonna cross. Pa, pa, pa. You have a change of beat. This is the moment when you change the step. So back and forward. If you want to keep learning to dance in a fun and easy way, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment and to give a like. I will really appreciate your support. I hope to see you in the next video. Kisses, Cumbia!